video, I'm simply going to unbox Net Power 16P, and it's actually a cloud switch series and a product from Mikrotik, right? So I'm basically going to talk about some details of this device, and this device, after explanation about talking about its features, I hope you will really appreciate how this product was innovated and manufactured, right? So this device here is an outdoor 18-port switch with 16 gigabit PoE outputs and 2 SFP plus ports. So if I say SFP, I'm simply talking about fiber ports, right? With this device, you can simply power any device from anywhere. But mind you, this device must be a PoE enabled device. And this device was actually manufactured for various access points whilst it's on a mast or a pole. So it powers multiple devices together, since it has about 16 gigabit ports. So each port is PoE enabled and can power PoE enabled access points. Its steady and compact outdoor enclosure allows this device to be installed anywhere, including the most harsh environment to the quiet environment. It can be installed in the mines. So this device, it's capable of doing a lot of service to access points in terms of powering it without having direct power. Net Power 16P has a non-blocking throughput of 36 Gbps and switching capacity of 72 Gbps and a forwarding rate of 53.6 Mbps. Okay, if you want to understand these technicalities, you can always Google or check them online, and you will really understand these abbreviations. Okay. Now, when using both the high and low voltage adapters, the Net Power will automatically choose the correct PoE standard and voltage based on the devices you connect to each port. You can also specify them manually, right? So this is how the device looks like. But in a short period, I'm going to open it up for you guys to see what entails in this box. So at this juncture, I'm going to unbox it for you guys to see what is in this box. Right. So these are the first things you are going to see in this box. And this is a kind of diagram describing how this device can be mounted. Okay. Right. So So this is how it can be mounted. So these are certain instructions one must follow. Okay, so as you can see, there are instructions here on how to mount this device, and it's only to the advantage of whoever is going to mount this device. Okay, so these are some instructions that comes with it. That is a good thing Mikrotik is doing. So this is the box itself. This is the net power 16p, right? So I'm taking out the rubber. Great. So this is the entire device. This is the device. This is how it looks like. In a while, I'm going to open up this bottom side for you guys to see the ports and the SFP. I mean the gigabit ports and the SFP ports. So this is how the back looks like. This is how the back looks like. Right. So this portion is the space for you to mount it onto a pole or a mast. This is the space for that. Okay. So let me quickly open the bottom here for you guys to see with your eyes. And it's you don't have to hustle to actually open this device, right? So this is it. You just open this side of it, and then you're able to have a glimpse of what is in here, right? So these are the gigabit ports. As you can see, about 16 of them, right? About 16 of them. And this is the two SFP plus ports, right? So in all you have 18 ports for you to connect all those access points. So you have your power. It has about 2 power inputs, right? So one is 48 to 57 volts and the other is 18 to 30 volts. So it's able to automatically select the kind of power to actually power this device and other devices. Else you can specify them manually, as you saw in the description. So this device you see here, all you need to do is to mount it on a mast or a pole, and then you can get your other access points connected to this device. So this singular device can be able to power about 18 PoE enabled access points or stations, and that is one of the good innovations of Mikrotik. This is similar to OWUUBII's edge point, okay, and I will do a video on that as well, and then we can do the comparisons. Right, so when this net power 16 is powered on, this is exactly how the architecture is going to look like. Okay, so you have these ports powering on these access points. Okay, so as you can see from this video, we have this access point coming from Mikrotik. We have these 2 access points coming from OWUUBII. Okay, so it's able to power other brands as well, so far as they are PoE enabled and the power output can actually power them, right? So this is exactly how you are going to see them mounted onto a pole or a mast. So this is this device, net power 16p, and this is how it looks like. This is how this device looks like, right? And these are all the things you can find in this box. Okay, so these are all the things you can find in this box, right? Thank you for watching. Please watch out for my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you.